If you've ever wished for an extra pair of hands in the kitchen, Google's DeepMind AI Lab might just have heard your wishes with the Google Mobile Aloha, a bimanual mobile manipulation system, or in simpler terms, your personal robot cook. This marvel of technology is the result of hard work by student researchers at Stanford University and Google DeepMind. It's designed to mimic complex tasks that require both hands and whole body control. What this means is that when presented with a task, the two-handed robotic system will learn the necessary steps to accomplish it by analyzing the data gathered from human demonstrations, just as you can see here as it cracks an egg. The Mobile Aloha was unveiled early this year, 2024, with a mission to create an AI-powered system capable of performing a wide variety of household chores. It's a glimpse into the future of home automation. Think about the time you could save and the convenience you could enjoy with a personal robot cook. From cooking to cleaning to putting away chairs, this system is designed to make your life easier. But what tasks would you delegate to your robot helper? Let's dive into features and capabilities of the Mobile Aloha robot first off. The working of Mobile Aloha is a fascinating blend of robotics and artificial intelligence. The system is designed to focus on more dexterous tasks, the kind that are generally challenging for robotics. A great example is cooking, mixing the right ingredients to come up with that perfect aroma and taste. Like we mentioned earlier, when shown a task like cooking, the Mobile Aloha aims to learn the steps needed to complete it. It does this by observing a human perform the cooking task and collecting data from this demonstration. The learning process involves a device that connects to the back of the robot, allowing it to mimic the actions needed to perform a given task. Training sessions involve driving the robot around and showing it how to do things, sort of like a puppet. Physically, the Mobile Aloha is a bimanual system, meaning it has two hands or manipulators. This design allows it to perform tasks that require both hands, much like a human would. Standing, its sleek metallic frame houses a sophisticated array of sensors, manipulators, and actuators. The anthropomorphic design is not just for aesthetics. It plays a crucial role in enhancing the robot's adaptability to human-centric environments. It also has a mobile base, enabling it to move around and perform tasks in different locations. The whole-body teleoperation interface allows it to control and coordinate all of its parts efficiently. This frame allows the Mobile Aloha to navigate kitchens with ease, effortlessly reaching for ingredients and tools in a manner that mirrors human motion. This design choice is intentional, aiming to create a robot that can seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, working alongside us in a way that feels natural. With 50 demonstrations of a set task, the Mobile Aloha can perform tasks such as sautéing and serving a piece of shrimp, opening a two-door wall cabinet to store heavy cooking pots, calling and entering an elevator, and lightly rinsing a used pan using a kitchen faucet. But it's not just about the physical design. The Mobile Aloha is powered by advanced AI and machine learning algorithms. These allow the robot to learn from human demonstrations and carry out tasks independently. The team at Stanford has developed a method called supervised behavior cloning for Mobile Aloha. This involves training the robot using the data collected from human demonstrations. The team found that co-training Mobile Aloha with existing static Aloha datasets significantly boosts the robot's performance on mobile manipulation tasks. But that's not all. Mobile Aloha also takes advantage of transformers, a type of architecture used in large language models. The original Aloha system used an architecture called action chunking with transformers, which takes images from multiple viewpoints and joint positions as input and predicts a sequence of actions. These advanced AI and machine learning algorithms enable the robot to learn a variety of primitive robot skills, from lane following in mobile robots to simple pick-and-place manipulation skills, to more delicate manipulation skills like spreading pizza sauce or slotting in a battery. However, it's important to note that while the Mobile Aloha is impressive, it's not perfect. There are instances where it bumbles and gets tasks wrong, but when it gets it right, it's a sight to behold. Now that we know what the Mobile Aloha is capable of, let's delve into some of its possible use cases. First off, you could get fewer criticisms on your dishes if you are a bad or lazy cook. In the kitchen, this marvel takes culinary tasks to a whole new level. Picture Mobile Aloha effortlessly sautéing ingredients or skillfully serving up a plate of shrimp, making you feel like you've got a seasoned chef right at your fingertips. And when it's time to tidy up, This nimble robot isn't afraid to get its hands wet, lightly rinsing pans and ensuring your kitchen sparkles. A dream come true for many parents who have to go through the stress of cleaning up the mess some toddlers create in the house, as it also dusts and mops. But it doesn't stop there. Mobile Aloha is the organizational guru you've always wished for, as it can deftly open up cabinets and doors, put away items, and maintaining a clutter-free space. Need a cup of joe to kickstart your day? Let the robot whip up the perfect brew, saving you those precious morning minutes. Pets in the house? Fear not. Mobile Aloha extends its helpful paw to feed and play with your furry friends. This robot is untethered and has a large battery in its base. This allows for long work periods and stability. However, like mentioned earlier, you should know that the Mobile Aloha is not as perfect because it might sometimes miscalculate and make some errors. But we're only in the beginning stages here, and the technology will only get better. The introduction of robots like Mobile Aloha certainly raises questions about the future of work and the impact of AI on jobs. I mean, if a robot can cook, then we might have less needs for chefs, don't you think? Imagine coming home after a long day at work. You're tired, and the last thing you want to do is cook dinner or clean up. But thankfully, you have a personal robot assistant like Mobile Aloha to help you out. Good use, right? On the positive side, robots like Mobile Aloha can significantly enhance our quality of life. They can take over mundane tasks, freeing up more time for us to focus on things we enjoy. On the flip side, there are concerns about job displacement due to AI and robotics. But it's important to remember that the goal of AI is not to replace humans, but to augment our capabilities. So instead of viewing AI as a threat, how about we see it as an opportunity to upskill and adapt to a changing work environment? What to tell your friends tomorrow. We're getting closer to a world where our kitchen gets a futuristic upgrade with a personal chef that's not just smart, but also a whiz at tidying up, all thanks to the power of AI. The Mobile Aloha robot isn't just making waves in household chores, it's rewriting the book on what a helpful sidekick can do. So, when you're sipping coffee tomorrow, here's something to ponder. How would your daily routine change if you had a personal robot assistant? And remember, don't forget about supervised behavior cloning, the AI technology that powers Mobile Aloha.